Hello everybody, so today I will talk about algebra. The topic today is about find the solution of this one. So now I will show you the technique. So in this situation, we got about two scenarios. The first one, that should be about x minus 4 is smaller than number 0 and x minus 5 is greater than number 0. So we got about x is smaller than number 4 and x is greater than number 5. In this situation, we don't have the solution of this one. Now let's go to the second one. Let's see about this way. So we got about x is greater than number 4 and x is smaller than number 5. So in this situation, we got about 4 is smaller than x and x is smaller than number 5. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.